my dear friends. Okay. Before I start off, there's a disclaimer from our team. Any statement, any case, any reference throughout our speech is not a direct indication or a direct attack to anyone sitting in this room or especially to my opponent team. I'm really sorry for that. You know, what does this mean? That there is an amendment to the right of speech of expression. I cannot express my speech, in a universal way to anyone. I should not come in the integrity and the moral values of the country to one individual. That is it. Now, coming back to the topic, freedom of expression of art should be regulated by the state. What is a state? Simplest, a state is a mere collection of people. Now, again, bring down the concept of state and the freedom of expression to the Indian context. By the part 3 of the Constitution, there are 6 fundamental rights, out of which Article 19 says there are 5 freedom of expression of rights in terms of freedom of expression of speech, freedom of expression of associations, freedom of expression of conscience, freedom of expression of forming unions, and out of which there is one part which is known as freedom of expression of art. But you know, what will we do when someone in a crowd comes and abuses my father and slaps him on the face? Will I act against him? Will my father act against him? Or shall we tell the other person, no man, you have a full freedom to act and behave? Is it right? No. Here the state comes, here the Supreme Court, the judge authorities will come and prevail and will give you a right that you have to entertain within your limits. You cannot infringe in the personal capacity of another individual and you have respect. Now, in the ancient Indian times, there is one art. There are 16 arts which are very popular, and out of that one art is known as prostitution. 16 कलाओं में से एक आर्ट है prostitution. Okay, that was the legal at that time, and why it was so popular because people had accepted it. Now, if my opponents or someone has an answer to this question, it's very rude, it's very bold. I'm really sorry. If we make a hue and cry when Ahmed Hussain makes a nude photograph of one goddess, what will happen if someone comes and makes a nude photograph of my sister? Why my sister? Why not yours? Why not his? Is this not, infringement of personal capacity? There should be a regulation. There should be a proper amendment to the personal capacity.